Right, traders, I'm resuming the video because I'm just taking a lower high confirmation setup of the broad two-legged pullback. The reason why I'm taking this is because downtrend needs to get new extreme according to trendline rule. We have a broad two-legged pullback that played out with the break new high, and because this was a trend range, I wasn't selling just yet. I wanted to see that it will truly become a resistance, the support. So the support transformed into resistance as a breakout pullback pattern, and I waited for the push below EMA and lower high to confirm the broad two-legged pullback, the breakout pullback pattern. Because this was a big trend range the entire day, I'm going to zoom back. You can see a large trend range, so I don't want to be selling just yet. I got to be careful. We're getting very close to, and we got filled. So this was a great quick little scalp on a lower high confirmation setup. So hopefully it makes sense. You can see from the failed breakout all the way down here, we never truly touched the EMA. So this tells you how the leg down is very strong. So even though this is a range, I'm expecting new extreme following the trend line rule, just like here. Uptrend working higher, break new high, downtrend working lower, break new low. So I needed the extra confidence to confirm that this is going to turn into breakout pullback pattern, because when the trend range is this healthy, so I really wanted to see the confirmation, because breakout pullback is the best when you have trending market. Broad two-legged pullback, support transform into resistance, push below EMA confirming, and lower high at the EMA confirming the resistance. Now I'm gonna trail it tight if we get a little pullback lower, because you break a new extreme, so the downtrend played out. So now I can expect correction or reversal. But because this was quite a strong push down, how does this channel look? Okay, this can be a possible alternative, but it's a little bit early to jump into conclusions. Now if we're gonna pull back, blast through it, we're gonna go back into range. This was a great quick little setup. We took most of our contracts 8-tick scalp and leaving one contract as a runner in case market does something unexpected. So following the trendline rules, not being hasty, and applying all the price action rules, looking for the easiest confirmation. And our runner just got hit.